If a commercial seller decides not to perform its contractual obligations, its decision can have supply chain repercussions for the buyer, rendering the buyer unexpectedly susceptible to market forces when purchasing replacement goods. In Laredo Hides Company versus H&H Meat Products, we explore a buyer's remedies if it suffers losses due to a seller's repudiation. Laredo contracted with H&H to purchase all of the cattle hides H&H produced as a byproduct of its meat processing business between March and December of 1972. According to the contract, cash was due on delivery, with deliveries to be made at least twice per month. Laredo used a transport company to collect hides from H&H and deliver Laredo's payments. On the second delivery date, the driver forgot to take Laredo's check to the pickup. At H&H's instruction, the transport company placed the check in the mail. 3 days later, when the check hadn't arrived, H&H issued an ultimatum to Laredo, saying that if H&H didn't receive payment that afternoon, then H&H wouldn't sell Laredo any more hides. When Laredo was unable to complete a funds transfer before the deadline, H&H considered the contract breached and subject to cancellation. H&H refused to sell Laredo any additional hides. Laredo, which had already contracted to sell the hides to a Mexican tannery, had to purchase replacements elsewhere or cover to fulfill its obligations. Due to a change in the market, the replacement hides were significantly more expensive, causing Laredo to expend an additional $140,000 plus transportation and handling costs. Laredo sued H&H for breach of contract, seeking to recover its additional expenditures. The trial court held that H&H's cancellation of the contract was justified, and therefore Laredo wasn't entitled to damages. Laredo appealed to the Texas Court of Civil Appeals.